I would say it helps me prevent them. I can see them coming, like a distant police siren. You can watch those elements start to form. He said, she said, and so forth. It's a big rumor mill, and often that's a breeding ground for an explosive situation. And of course, our relationship with our family is the most, has the least filters, so it can really be very detrimental. So through that insight and that sensitivity that I've gained through meditation, I'm able to ensure that my actions are not adding to that breeding ground, that I'm not reacting to rumors, that I'm not spreading negativity through my words, through my assumptions, through my thoughts, because even the most subtle negative creations that I may create can lead to disrupt. So on a good day, I'm not feeding that fire, and that's very satisfying.